Meet Natasha. She is a famous photographer. She stores all photos and videos of her shoots and albums on her computer, along with some private and confidential files. One day, when she is working on her computer, suddenly her hard drive is crashed and is not working. All her data and her lifetime work is lost. What can Natasha do? She fears that if she gives her computer to a data recovery center, she might have to compromise with her private and confidential data, and the other person can really misuse her data somehow. Natasha is troubled. Here is Ashok. He is a financial advisor who deals in accounting and financial management for his various clients, including businessmen and corporates. At the end of the March, when his workload is at peak, unfortunately, his workstation crashes and is unable to complete his work on time. Ashok goes to a data recovery center to get his important data back urgently. Looking at his miserable condition, the greedy shopkeeper looks this as golden opportunity to make money and charges him exorbitant amount. Ashok is helpless as he needs the financial data back urgently. Ashok is troubled. Ramesh is an owner of a computer and electronic shop. He also deals in providing computer repairing and data recovering services to its various clients. All his clients face this common problem of data loss and hard disk crashing. However, Ramesh has no knowledge of basic data recovery solutions. Therefore, he needs to hire the services of experts of data recovery solutions for recovery of data for its clients. As a result, Ramesh has to give away his major share of his profit for such basic data recovery cases. Ramesh is troubled. What if we tell you that you can solve all your data recovery problems on your own without the help of anybody? We at the Data Empires provide online training for data recovery along with software and tools that fulfill all your data recovery need. Now, you can learn online at the comfort of your homes and offices. For complete data recovery training, just log on to www.dataempires.com. Here, you can learn all the course for lifetime in Hindi and English with one free data recovery solution. You can easily download all the resources like SIO program, BIOS files, and many more. Just subscribe once for a whole lifetime membership. We also offer best data recovery services for SSD, hard drive, pen drive, and server drives. We are also one of the leading manufacturers of mechanical data recovery tools and firmware software. For regular updates, you can also follow our social feed, our RSS at dataempires.com/RSS, our Twitter handle at dataempires, our Facebook page at facebook.com/dataempires. Also, you can subscribe our YouTube channel by just pressing the bell icon on Data Empires channel.